Welcome to the Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.2010shopi.co.za. This is the 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. My brother, how's it?
Sharp.
Showman, when is the game?
The plan was right for our coach. As much as you are playing a CAF champion, if you draw with the CAF champion, you are a champion too. We are equal. The moment you play with the Betway champions, Sama Bakania, you draw with them or you win. You are the champion of Betway. You are equal to them. This is how we are going this season, and I think the plan from the coach was right. Mamelodi Sundowns in a quality, and the way Yana Abonore sometimes come raw asobi sharp, asobi quality. Umekile sure or ukonjasta the players stay right. Ndlovu, Mabuye, Limtetwa. He was right. The game we supposed to pokotele a draw ya Rona. River loses 2 points. Baba the CAF champion. And kuna liba tubartella. Baba Mabakania, Casta Sabona Sesi Rusiteng, Runa Neritweri Star Sesi Fetongo Ape Mawan, and Ribachueri so, and then we held them ransom, and we did make sure that Batamaya got into Ngadi Pulutable Togo. Mabakania Babizi Mobalo and Abata Webes and to take off because they are bitter, because they know the Kaizer Chiefs. If he hold delay Sundowns, Yobo Nabatabori Yoba Shapa, and of course Sundown in Ali quality. It's gonna beat Bacanias. So we played very well today. The coach, we must make sure Ram encourage that man or abeli the game plan. More gaming only plan. I introduced Modi. I knew he wanted to defend, wanted to make sure Mudau and then if you can play anyway, it was gonna happen that Mudawa Tomo overlap. We're gonna face us and Bok. We are talking about quality players go down. If you hold the level Mudiva, Riberekile smart. Riberekile Uska blame Chiefs you win a chap today. I reach Sundown. I can tell you if and then and carry Chiefs opele pina ile ya Tupagia hit them up. Marabai opele katsila respectful. I told them when I came here it's about Sundown. And anybody who opens his mouth like Pirates, you're gonna see we're gonna do like this. Pour to Pirates, pour to Stellenbosch, pour to Amazulu, pour to all the teams of Betway. Sharp.
Except Sundown.